Today, I'm here to explain how to fix the Messenger sound problem. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture or account icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Next, scroll down the menu until you see Notifications and Sounds. Once you're in the Notifications and Sounds section, make sure the Do Not Disturb option is turned off. And make sure all the other options are turned on and a text tone is selected. Next, open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down to the Apps section and search for the Messenger app in the list. And go to the Notifications section. Make sure the Allow Notifications option is turned on. For the best results, go ahead and restart your phone. This can help refresh your settings and ensure everything works properly. Thanks for watching.